My name is Lee, and I am in Mexico City. I'm actually headed to Starbucks, which is where I will be having Spanish class. We'll be taking Spanish class today. So I have to admit, when you go into an unfamiliar area, it does look different, and you kind of wonder if you wander off into somewhere wrong, but this is supposedly, kind of considered safe, I guess, sort of, and it's daytime, so it just unfamiliar because I've been, I guess, used to going one way for the longest. So yeah, we're going one way for the longest, so now I'm going somewhere totally different. And it's my first time walking what looks like a highway, very busy, and a bike, brave bike. It's a nice little park over here. I guess I have to continue walking to this highway here. It's very loud, as you can hear. Yeah, the navigation system really got me going in circles this morning. So I could try to be careful and not get hit, because I don't know if they were stopping help me. Anyway, maybe they would, but I don't know. I don't want to test it. That's it for my life, park or near the park, I'm not sure. There's BBVA tall building there. What is this building right here? This is the Rich Carlton. Okay, definitely in a nice area. So let's see if I'm going the right direction. For a minute there, thought I got lost. You know what I mean? Google. Just Google Maps just seems to just get confused inside of a park. So this is I don't know what park this is. Yeah, I don't know what park this is. It's just, I'll find out in a few. But parking. The other side. Is that the same one?
Yeah, because it has the main street, the Reforma main street.
Yeah, Avenue.
Yeah, this is the Reforma.
Okay.
And the Starbucks is the other side.
Okay, gracias.
Okay.
I was definitely lost this morning. I'm actually closer now. I had someone who spoke a little English. Of course, it's like a billion Starbucks, so he had me going the wrong direction. And I saw my map. I was getting further and further away from the Starbucks, and I said, hold up, it's going to take me 16 minutes to get from my destination. So this is not right. So I had to come back. Oh my gosh, I would definitely be taking the public transportation back. I think I see it out off in the distance there. the entrance? Okay. Take a look around. Well, I thought I would be late, but I don't see my instructor. So, okay, I'm early. Well, let me just share what this Starbucks looks like. It's more of a indoor, outdoor type Starbucks. I guess it's outdoors, indoors, but it's covered, so I guess you can be inside and outside at the same time. Nice. Kind of different Starbucks from what I'm used to, I guess. It's nice. Kind of on the main road here. Let's walk inside. Seating area.
Así como de elaboradas ofrendas. Se cree que fueron sacerdotes o gobernantes asociados al culto del sol.
El centro arqueológico de Altavista fue construido y ubicado entre el 400
kill here and get their heart out. Sacrificial knife always have the little faces. Child. N.
Oh. Museum of Anthropology. We just went in. This park is huge. I'm gonna have to come back a separate day and kind of check it out and do a full video of just everything in this park because it's so much. It's huge. But it's just one museum that we happen to go through right after class. So got some images. Somehow I made it to the other side. There's nothing natural about walking across the street here. It's got little restaurants over here. Then I guess I need to go down this road right here. Yeah, okay. I just got to figure out how to get over there. Yeah, I think this is at Los Losers. I think. Well, they got winners on the wall, written on the wall, so I don't know losers or winners. So maybe I can get that chair right there. Let's see. I think this is it. Yeah, I think this is it. So let's see if we can get a little closer to where we're going here. Los Losers. All right, let me get closer. They gave me choices of which kombucha I want to drink. Of course, I'm gonna take the one in the center because it has the best looking color, which is probably not the smartest thing because I can't really read the difference. Yeah, I see someone else with one with kind of red flavor, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that. Alright, so I ordered a torta sandwich, Cubana sandwich, so we'll see what that looks like. Right, I ordered the Cubana torta sandwich. You know, most torta sandwiches are big and a lot, so this is no exception. And of course I had a kombucha drink, and I like this little napkin holder here. Look at this. It's kind of, yeah, I like that. So I tell you what's up about it once I this costs 125 pesos. I'm not sure how much the drink costs, so we have to check that out in just a second. So I'll let you know after the fact. You know, before I give you my review of Los Losers, let's focus on this car with this boot, which is the most universal thing I've ever seen. I don't know. This is something I'm so used to, and actually they sitting in the car, which is funny. I saw his reaction when he got out and saw that the boot was on his car, and it was priceless. I mean, I just didn't expect them to get in the car, and they've been in there for a while, so I'm not sure if they're waiting on someone or what. But in the States, that can be an all-day process to get someone to remove the boot. So to see that, I felt really sad for the guy, but realized that it was just a universal thing, that the boot happens no matter where you go. I lived in DC for 20 years, and seeing a boot on a car was almost like a daily occurrence. So anyway, I saw the guy reaction and thought, oh my gosh, I really felt bad for him. So, but he's sitting in the car, which is, I think, is really funny. I think. Anyway, all right, let's talk about the review of Los Losers. Los Losers, which is interesting. It has Los Losers, but on the side of it also has Lost Winners, but if you look it up, it's actually Lost Losers. So I'm not sure why they have Lost Losers and Lost Winners on the side of the building. So anyway, I ordered a torta, which was 125, and I think the kombucha drink was 100 pesos, because my total bill was 225. So yeah, 100 pesos. So anyway, I give you the dollar figures in the below. But it was okay. What I've learned is that no matter what torta sandwich you order, no matter was it vegetarian, vegan, or with meat or whatever, it's gonna be full and heavy. I'm not sure what type of I mean, it's a vegan restaurant, so I'm not sure what. It was a Cubana, so I'm not sure what protein they use. Is something I wasn't really familiar with, but it was okay. I mean, I've seen mixed reviews on that particular restaurant, but it was crazy busy, you know what I mean? And it took them a while to bring the food, but it was busy because all the other restaurants I went to around this same time seemed to be you know, not as busy during this time. All of them seem to be busy at night because I passed by a couple of them. They all seem to be busy at night, but this one was extremely busy. Excellent location, as you can see, you know, from the chairs outside. It was a really nice location, so I can't complain about the location. And the sandwich is okay. I mean, would I go back? Maybe. The sandwich okay. I mean, of course I didn't leave there hungry. I was going to order the pizza, but it was 300 pesos, and not that you know, if that it's expensive or not. It just, you know, after my disappointment with another place that had a pizza, I was disappointed with the size, so I didn't want to pay 300 pesos and get a really small pizza, you know, because 300 pesos, you know, 11, 12 bucks. So, you know, that should be a decent size no matter where you go, you know. So anyway, even for a vegan or a specialty pizza. So to end this video, I just came from Losers about 30 minutes ago, and I still feel that tortoise sandwich that I had. So that's the third one I've had since I've been in the city, from different locations, of course. And what I've learned is that they're heavy, whether it's vegetarian or with just regular protein. They're heavy sandwiches. So if you're ever at a place and you just don't know what to order and you just want a sandwich, a heavy sandwich to fill you up, order a tortoise sandwich, unless you just want a bunch of tacos. So I'm still feeling it. After I end this video, I'm probably going to the room and lay down. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, click that notification bell. I'm not sure how this video is going to look today. I had a kind of a frustrating moment getting from location to location. This is probably one of the most frustrated day of all my time I've been here. So anyway, enjoy. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.